Let me start, Minister, because you may no longer remember some of the things that I have said. You have been invited here to appear before this ad hoc committee, which investigate allegations made by Lieutenant General Ntanta Mkhwanazi. You have been invited to provide information in relation to the ad hoc committee's oversight, to properly investigate the allegations made on that day of the 6th of July, 2025, which include, amongst others, the alleged unlawful disbandment of the Political Killings Task Team, otherwise known as the PKTT, alleged moratorium on the filling of vacancies within the South African Police Services, and alleged corrupt relationship between senior leadership within SAPS and members of the public, as well as political interference in the work of the SAPS. In extending this invitation, the ad hoc committee chairperson has indicated that you may provide such information to the committee if you so wish, under oath, in terms of the powers, privileges, and immunities of Parliament and Provincial Legislatures Act. You have indicated that you wish to take the oath so as to be afforded the protections as provided in the Powers and Privileges Act. Please be informed that by law, you are required to answer fully and satisfactorily all the questions lawfully put to you, or to produce any document that you are required to produce in connection with the subject matter of the inquiry, notwithstanding the fact that the answer or the document could incriminate you or expose you to criminal or civil proceedings or damages.